How to draw California. We're going to start by drawing two lines at the top. These two lines will come together and make a 90-degree angle at the corner. Then we're going to draw a diagonal line going downwards. This will be part of the right side of California. Next, we're going to draw a squiggly line going downwards from the diagonal line that we just drew. Looking great, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew! From that squiggly line, we're going to draw a straight line going to the left. This will be for the bottom part of California. For the last step of drawing California, we're going to draw the left side of it. This will be a long squiggly line going all the way from the top straight line to the bottom straight line. Make sure to stick around until the very end so that we can color in our drawings together. This is how to draw California. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you like step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Now let's go color in California together.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.